Final Cut Pro tutorial for beginners is coming up next. The last video was about creating a library and project. Now today, we will learn how to import media. To import a media, we can simply go to File and then Import, but I use the Command plus, I shortcut key. Now we have this new window. Starting from the left, we have storage and camera access options. First, you can directly use the cam. Second are the devices, and as soon as you will select them, it will show the content in the middle bottom. Now I will select the video files that I want to use. This is the folder which I want to use. While expanding it, we can see a preview of the video clips as well. Now on the right, first we have the event option, and you can also create a new one, like Vietnam clips. Next are the files. Here I always leave files in place. If you select Copy to Tutorial, then Final Cut Pro will copy the files to your project storage location. Apart from that, I don't use the below options. However, if you have large files and a slow Mac, then you can create optimized media and proxy files that are easier to edit. Under Analyze Audio, you can check Fix Audio Problems if your audio is not synced to lips. And if you want a separate mono and group stereo audio, then check this. And as I have selected the whole folder, it will import all the videos. Now, as we can see, these videos are sorted under the date. Now you can filter clips and toggle clips display. Increase the preview size. Can squeeze timings. It will be used if you have longer video clips. Next, you can see the properties of the video clip, frame rate, and name of the clip. You can preview these clips, and if you are facing any playback issues, then can set the quality from this view toggle bar. In the next video, we will start working on the timeline. Till then, you can subscribe and save the playlist Final Cut Pro for Beginners. Thank you.